Hey, Mike Foster here. How you guys doing? I'm still in Oregon. You can see the water out there. Well, that's a little hazy, but it's fish and chip time. Now, this is one of the best fish and chips in the area. It's called Pub Fish and Chips, and I'm gonna eat the street with my wife. We're gonna get some golden brown halibut chips, which are French fries, coleslaw. And I'm gonna get some of that malt vinegar and dip it in there and stink everybody up. Let's eat the street. We'll put a little lemon on here. Can you see it? Huh? I want you to have all of it. We'll put I mean, if you don't want it, we'll put that there and on a few of these fries. Okay. That's the malt vinegar. All right, let's take a bite. Mike Eats the Street. We're in the Pub Fish and Chips. It's in Lincoln. Oh my God. That's the halibut. I won't say just for the halibut. That's really good. All right. Now, let's try the fries. Not bad. Might as well go all in. Try the coleslaw. Not bad, a little dry. This is the star of the show right here. That's the baby. Let's try, while we're at it, let's try the tartar sauce. Ready? For more videos like this, check out my YouTube channel, Live Life 365, and keep eating the street. This is really good. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
It's really good. Sweet Babu and Baba. You can put it down. Yeah.
Sorry, you have a million people
Now my wife has to eat.
going back and forth behind you.
It's okay. I want to see that guy. There you go. There it is. You see it? You see it? You see it? Watch. It's gone. That's how you street it.